Hello, in this video you will learn how to import clothes from China to Nigeria or any part of Africa using Onitsha market strategy in 4 simple steps. We all know that Onitsha main market is the biggest market in West Africa. Their pattern of business is so simplified and yet kept secret that if you don't mingle or become part of them, it can never be revealed to you. It is a market where any price of any item or commodity is possible. It is also a market where people make huge sum of money with a lot of ease. Accept it or not, Onitsha market is the China of Africa in terms of clothing and so many other commodities. The surprising part of it is that these traders are not professors, not even degree holders. Some of them only acquired primary education. A good number acquired junior secondary education, while majority of them are SSCE holders. Yet they are billionaires and multimillionaires. But how are they making all that money? The secret is what I am about to give you in 4 simple steps. Step number 1. Have the contact of verified Chinese factory representatives, suppliers, or agents. Contact is the key to importation. With the right contact, a lot of opportunities are bound to come your way. It is what makes the difference between a successful and unsuccessful importer. Most successful importers has contact of Chinese factories where they buy clothes cheaper than you could imagine. For example, I've bought 405 pieces of shirt at 2 yen per piece. 2 yen is equal to 184 naira. And 2004 pieces at 6 yen. 6 yen is equivalent to 552 naira. 7 yen, 8 yen, 10 yen, even 15 yen. 15 yen should be equivalent to 1,380 naira, and that's for high quality clothes. Here is one of the verified contacts. You can save it in your phone, and when it appears in your WhatsApp or WeChat, simply say, "Hello, how are you? You have shirt? Show me." And she will send to you the catalog of available clothes. Step number 2. Contact exchange companies. After you've made your choice of clothes from the catalog sent to you by your supplier or agent, or from the contact I gave to you above, the next is to contact a reliable exchange company for payment in renminbi, that is Chinese currency, because you are not going to pay in naira, you are going to pay, expected to pay in China currency. Step number 3. Send your goods to shipping company. The moment you receive the payment copy from your exchange company, forward it to your supplier together with shipping company's business card, which will contain the shipping company's warehouse address in China. Your agent will then take your goods to warehouse for shipment and obtain delivery receipt, which your agent shall in turn send back to you. Step number 4. Clear your goods from shipping company. To clear your goods from the shipping company, take the delivery receipt sent to you by your agent to the shipping company's office in Nigeria or in your country, and collect packing list. This packing list will contain all the information concerning your goods, such as container number, CBM, etc. Note that these activities can be done via WhatsApp. That means you don't need to go to their office. You can simply contact them via WhatsApp, send your receipts to them via WhatsApp, and they will in turn send back a packing list to you via WhatsApp. With these 4 simple steps, I believe you have received the biggest secret about importation. You can visit the link on your screen right now to enroll into my step-by-step tutorial on how to import clothes from China to Nigeria or other parts of Africa using Onitsha market strategy. Finally, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like and share this video. See you next time.